Alright guys, welcome back to another episode, and today I'm just gonna be doing some spring cleaning in the apiary. And I can't stress really how important it is when it comes down to cleaning, because a dirty apiary really does attract a lot of pests. And here in Jamaica we suffer from like ants, and then you have different ant species, some that are active, more active in the night, and some that are mostly active in the day. So we try our best to keep all the debris outside of it, and I'm gonna tell you that not been doing a good job so far. So let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, so as you can see guys, like, because the trees are shedding and the fruits are budding, as you can see, like, that's Aki there, and the ants pretty much really love seeing that. So once it falls on the ground, it really does attract these things, and there isn't anything that you can do about it, because pretty much my apiary is pretty much under an Aki tree. And for those of you who aren't familiar with it, this is the Aki fruit, and it's a part of our national dish here in Jamaica. So because of that, when the fruit ripens, then other birds and stuff will come in and eat it, and it'll fall on the ground. Yeah, it'll fall on the ground and attract a lot of ants. So this is me doing my spring cleaning for today. And just one of the hazard of cleaning in the April light, I got stung a while ago by a bee. I guess flew under my arm and got startled. So um, yeah, right there. But the work must go on, so I'm just still gonna go through and finish doing what I'm doing. Can't be a beekeeper without stings, right? Right. Alright, so I had to go back and get some additional protection because of the sting pheromone. The girls won't leave me alone. It's like they're all over me, so just another layer of protection just to keep me from getting any additional sting at the moment while I'm working. So when I see things like this now, these are some of the pests that I'm talking about. So we call those termites. Well, in Jamaica we call these duckans, but you would probably know it by the name termite. And these things are horrible, man. They will chew through anything that they can find as wood. So when I come across these, this seems to be the nest. So I'm gonna be setting this ablaze, and I'll put ants powder, duck ants powder, or ants powder to get rid of the rest. So this is Farco powder, and it kills ants and duck ants alike, no discrimination. Very easy to apply, just point. And that's it for the duck ants there. Then I'll just continue to clear away the area. As you can see, the bees could really care less for the most part, as long as I'm not directly disturbing the nest. Then they'll be pretty nonchalant about me being this close and pulling away the weeds from their nests. And as you can see me, they're getting some help from one of the little lizards. See him there chewing away, enjoying his little snack. Dude, awesome. So while he's enjoying the little snack, see quite a few of them coming around, eating off the little nests. So now that I've finished weeding up, I'm going to be burning that nest that you see there, and just to help me keep control over the termite population, or because if I'm not careful, they'll eat the bees out of a nest. So alright, so as I can see, apiary is all clean. Just like that, another termite nest bites the dust. And as pretty much as soon as I see them guys, I just get rid of them because these things cause a lot more damage. So burning this one. What? You didn't thought I would leave those, would you? No, it's called Aki and Saltfish for a reason. It's our national dish. So definitely once I come in the apiary and I see this, I have to pick it and take it and prepare it. So, alright, thanks for watching guys, and if you like the content that we put out, just give us a like, a share and a subscribe, and you'll be notified as soon as we put out a new content, which we try to do every week. So take care and have a good one. Bye.